I'm gonna draw a pea soup and a mouse.
Okay.
Kind of like Rescuers Down Under.
I'll try to keep up.
Okay, good. So I'm gonna make a pot like this with a circle here. And then I'm gonna bring it down here and make a pot there and there. And then I'm gonna do a little pot arm here. And then I'm gonna do a little like pea soup water in there, like it's the pea soup broth. And then I'll do little circles for the pea soup. And then I'll put it on a little stove here. Big. And then for the mouse we'll do 2 eyes. And then we'll do a nose. And then we'll do his actual nose there. And then we'll do his head. And we'll do a chef hat here because he's the cook. This is the cook mouse. And then we'll do down here. And then we'll do his arm here. Holding a spoon. A little spoon. And then we'll do his little belly. And then his legs. And then we'll go here. And we'll do his back. We'll do his other leg. Then I'll do a little tail. There we go. And then we'll do his other arm right here.
Wow. This is a hard one.
Yeah, and now we gotta finish his eyes off. There's his eye, and we gotta do his ears. And then we open his mouth because he's yelling, "Pea soup! Pea soup!" There we go, in the bottom of the stove here.
Wow.
This is great. Okay, cool. Pea soup! Hey! Yours is cool!
Look at that one. I don't know what it is. I tried to draw, can't draw it at all.
No, you did great. You got the sun here too.
Sunshine shining down on
They're
the pea soup.
outside. It helps cooking it. I think.
Yeah.
That's pea soup, huh?
Those are all the little peas right
And
there.
you got your little mouse up on the table.
The
there.
mouse is making sure the pea soup is cooking. That's the fire underneath.
That is cool.
This is the handle right there.
That is really cool. What do you guys think? Hey, I forgot to say, are you guys drawing with us? If not, you could catch up and just do some drawing while we're hanging out here. But if you want to, draw a little mouse like this and a little pea soup like that. Pea soup.
Pea soup.
Yep. And how about we spell mouse?
Okay.
Let's learn how to spell mouse. This is a little trickier word, but let's spell it out. Starts with the M. You know what? I'm gonna do my M up here so you can see it a little better. M. Now what's the next one?
O.
Yep. O. And then ow. O and U make an ow sound. So O-U.
Oh.
Meow.
Now.
Ow. And then
S.
S. Yeah. Good job. S, mouse, and we add an E to get the mouse to make the S complete.
Wow, that's a big word.
M-O-U-S-E is mouse.
Mouse.
Mouse, and he's cooking the pea soup.
Pea soup mouse.
Yep, pea soup mouse.
Wow.
Nice
that's
work.
A fun one.
That was great.
I bet y'all can draw better than me back home.
Hey, you're great, Banjo Benny. I always love your drawings.
You are too. You're really good at this stuff.
Thank you very much. And you guys, you're doing a great job too.
Yeah.
Hold up your drawing if you did one. Oh, yeah,
nice.
that's good.
That's really
real good.
Nice work.
If you didn't do one, that's okay. You can just hang out. No worries.
Do it next time.
Yeah, do one next time.